Abarai korwa chinse cheisiko nigo baikirana ase egiti gya Kasarani elinde koligereria ogotiani gwa kumurai ogatano bw'ense ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Omurikito Sara Nyarangi Ontita na twaliganiria orobotero asenchera eyobekirano.
Neri tukolie ngencho asense ya Kenya chitariki 13 nchitigare asa monko ya bange kerogwetani abakenya chiribwe 55 kurwa chingongo ao baikirana asegeti gya Kasarani International Stadium iliyokwenekia ogotiani wakwaye Dr. William Ruto buna omurayo gatano no mukonyo ye Rigathi Gachagua. Tali abakenya boka kulende abageni korwa isiko yense ya Kenya mbaikirana boigo chingaki abarai bechinse emerongevere chi Prime Minister ababwatani korwa sense ya Amerika, China, baenekia omoyogoyo. Aba ngati yabarai baikirana korwa chingongo ao omosike Evariste Ndayishimiye korwa Burundi oyobo igoro munyakirogo ase kiombe kiobomo bwechinse cha Afrika ya mocha Samia Suluhu Hassan korwa sense ya Tanzania, Yoweri Museveni korwa Uganda, Paul Kagame korwa Rwanda, Salva Kiir korwa South Sudan, Felix Tshisekedi korwa ense ya DRC, Felipe Chazinto korwa Mozambique, Lazarus Chakwera korwa Malawi, gatia bande asebo igo gatiabo barwa chinkwana chiabo.
I know His Excellency Ruto. I've met him a number of times in Uganda, and I know he likes ideas and frank talking. For Uganda and Kenya and Tanzania and Congo and Burundi and Rwanda and South Sudan and Somalia, which is coming now, in order for us to catch up with the United States, we need also to look at the issue of the regional market. Because when you produce, who buys? The more people that buy from you, the better for the business.
Samia Suluhu Hassan natogia abakenya asokwenekia omorembe chinga kichobo cholibwa eta asate babuna ekiombe kiobomo bwa Afrika ya mocha nigobago kerete obokanyeku bwa bakenya.
Ndugu zangu wa Kenya, tunawapongeza nyinyi kwa kuonesha ukomavu wa demokrasia na kumaliza uchaguzi salama, na leo tuko hapa pamoja kama Wakenya na wa East Africa tunashangilia uapisho wa rais wetu mpya. Nataka niwaambie ndugu zetu wa Kenya, kama kuna zawadi mlioitoa kwa Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki mwaka huu ni zawadi ya amani mlioiweka katika uchaguzi.
Tena fursa hii niwapongeze Wakenya wote kwa kufuata mioyo yao wakati wa kupiga kura na kuthibitisha kwa mara nyingine ukomavu wao wa hali ya juu na kuonyesha ulimwengu viwango vya demokrasia yao.
Nigo Evariste korwa Burundi boiga motogia omurai bwense Uhuru Kenyatta yokora bene entunde yoburai ase ateba gwetera obwa matebwa yobuya Kenya na Burundi nechinse chobomo bwa Afrika ya mocha mbachoko bwaterana asobora yobuya bwa ya Dr. William Ruto.
Nina furaha sana, Kenya kabisa, hakuna matata. Penda tena kutoa pongezi kwa ndugu yangu Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta kwa uongozi wako. Furaha iliyokutambulisha imekuwa furaha ya Wakenya wote, na hapa unamaliza muda wako kwa furaha na utulivu.
Rigathi Gachagua yote ni walero buno mokonyo ye Dr. William Ruto na kirenya sainga mbuyamono asarwa omogano moke igoro ya Dr. William Ruto ne sabali yobocholi bo mwakoyo.
Before you on your path to leadership were insurmountable. But because there is a God in heaven, today, an ordinary child, born by ordinary parents, brought up in an ordinary village, brought up in an ordinary way, growing up in an ordinary manner, because there is God in heaven, he is the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces.
Mwalioye, Dr. William Ruto, nigateba aguchakoleta monchorolio nseyo buraibwae ilio Kenya esike guchia ase birengo binde asatogia abamiriria baye asobocholi bwaeta aseboigo abakiranga mbuyamono.
I will establish an education reform task force in the presidency which will be launched in the coming weeks. It will collect views from all players in line with the constitutional demand of public participation, and we are particularly alive to the anxieties of parents on the twin transition of the last 844 class and the first CBC class in January next year.
Sara Nyarangi Ontita, Ndizi TV.
Chinga kiechio oboigo